In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence and robotics, Figure AI is making waves with its groundbreaking humanoid robots. The company is on a mission to revolutionize industries by integrating advanced AI with human-like robots capable of performing complex tasks. But what sets Figure AI apart from other robotics firms? And how could their innovations shape the future of automation? Figure AI is an innovative company specializing in humanoid robotics, aiming to bridge the gap between AI-driven automation and human capabilities. Unlike traditional industrial robots designed for repetitive tasks, Figure AI's humanoid robots are engineered to perform a wide range of activities, from logistics and manufacturing to retail and even household assistance. At the core of Figure AI's technology is a combination of advanced AI algorithms for decision-making and learning, state-of-the-art robotics for smooth and natural movement, human-like dexterity to handle complex tasks, computer vision to understand and interact with environments. This fusion of AI and robotics allows Figure AI to create machines that can think, learn, and adapt in real time, making them more efficient than conventional automated systems. The demand for automation is growing, and humanoid robots could become an essential part of industries facing labor shortages. Figure AI's robots could be deployed in warehouses, factories, hospitals, and even homes, significantly improving efficiency and reducing operational costs. However, challenges remain, including ethical concerns surrounding AI decision-making, energy consumption and battery efficiency, affordability and scalability of humanoid robots. Despite these hurdles, Figure AI is paving the way for a future where AI-powered robots work alongside humans, enhancing productivity across various sectors. As AI and robotics continue to advance, Figure AI's humanoid robots could redefine the way we work and live. Whether in manufacturing, logistics, or even personal assistance, these intelligent machines have the potential to revolutionize multiple industries.